Hi there, my name is Michelle, and I am a student assisting here at the ATC, Assistive Technology Center. Today I'm going to be demonstrating some of the new accessibility features built into Windows 10 Education Edition. These features can be found on all computers in the ATC lab located here on campus in PL1109, and are many workstations located across campus. To find a workstation on campus, simply click the annotation above or the link in the description to find a workstation near you. Today I will be demonstrating the magnification tool built into Windows 10. I will be using an on-screen keyboard to demonstrate the shortcuts that you can use when trying to access the software. Simply hold down the Windows key and the U key to open the Ease of Access settings. If shortcuts are not enabled on your computer, proceed to click on the Windows key in the left corner. Click the settings icon and select Ease of Access in the settings. On the left side of the screen, you will have a number of categories, and on the right side of the screen, you will have options pertaining to each category. In this video, we will cover the magnification tool. To access the magnification tool, simply click on the magnifier category. Magnification options should now appear on the right side of the screen. To turn on magnification, switch the icon from off to on. You can control the level of magnification with the plus and minus icon. Plus allows you to increase the level of magnification by 100% by default. Conversely, the minus icon decreases the size by 100% by default. To access the magnification tool using shortcuts, simply hold down the Windows key and the plus icon. Pressing the Windows key and the plus icon again will increase the level of magnification, and pressing the Windows key and the minus icon will decrease the level of magnification. To exit magnification, simply press down the Windows key and the escape key. You can change the increments of magnification by clicking on the drop-down menu for zoom increments. The increments are set to 100% by default, but may be changed to 5, 10, 25, 50, 100, 150, 200, and 400%. Based on what you choose, each new increment of magnification will adjust accordingly. That is all we have for this one. We hope you have a really nice day. Thank you for watching our video.